Hello friend, Shari from Graphic 45 here, and today I'm serving up something truly special. I'm going to walk you through our Botanical Tea Keepsake Edition pack, our Keepsake kit with exclusive metal die set, and I'm going to show you all of the fabulous pieces that come inside these two items. With the Botanical Tea collection, think vintage garden, soft pink peonies, powder blue butterflies, and beautiful vibrant hummingbirds. Let's start with the Botanical Tea Keepsake Edition pack. This is your all-in-one paper crafting paradise. You're gonna get 83 assorted ephemera pieces in here. These are vintage style ephemera assortments. And you can see there are so many gorgeous pieces to just pop onto your projects. We've got borders, sentiments, butterflies, teapots, florals galore, and of course some gorgeous birds. Take a peek at this brand new Botanical Tea sticker sheet. So we have some Botanical Tea pieces down here that are die cut and perfectly ready to be adhered onto your projects. And then some of our all-time favorite pieces, corners, stamps, borders, of course. What are you going to use these stickers on? Tags, places to write your sentiments, and of course the 12 by 12 papers. You're going to get 16 of these gorgeous 12 by 12 double-sided papers. There are 2 of each of the 8 stunning designs. These are going to be great for your scrapbook albums, those minis, planners, home decor projects. And then of course, we do have those 8 double-sided patterns and solids in here, which we love for photo mats, card bases, and making each of your layers pop. And of course, it comes in a reusable plastic folder, so you can keep all of your extra pieces in there, all nice tucked away in style. The Keepsake Edition pack is available a la carte on our website at g45papers.com, as well as at your local G45 retailer. Take your crafting to the next level by subscribing to the Keepsake kit, where you will get everything you just saw in the Botanical Tea Keepsake Edition pack, but you will also receive an exclusive metal die. So you can see this comes with all sorts of usable pieces that you can use over and over again. You've got to love this hello sentiment with the shadow to make it pop. And then we've got this great peony die with all these pieces that you can put that together and put it to great use. So we have all of the different die cut pieces here. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different pieces in this exclusive die set. And I just want to show you how easy it is to put these gorgeous flowers together. So we've got this great peony piece here. This is our largest piece, and I just want to take just a ball stylus and my hand, and I'm just gonna go ahead and break down some of these paper fibers. You can see there's some great embossing lines featured in there, and then just turn it over and do the same on the reverse side. So I've got my first layer, and we'll just do the same with all 3 of these pieces. A fun tip we love is while you're creating and you have your dies out, you've got your papers out, you can, with your extra scraps that you've got left over, just take those scraps while you have everything out and just cut out some extra pieces and then pop those into your folder. So next time you go to create something, you've done yourself a favor and you've got those pieces ready to go. Create a couple of extra flowers while you're at it, and you can just pop those onto your next card. So we've got our pieces, and then you can see in here we also have some fun center stamen pieces. I'm going to take my smaller stylus here. And with this smallest piece, you can see if I curl my hand up, we can get a little extra dimension. Add a little life to those leaves. And now let's take our favorite adhesive. You can use whatever you like. Of course, you can always ink the edges of this also. And let's just start to put this flower together. While this is drying, I'll just kind of manipulate my petals a little bit more. How cute is this flower looking? Now let's add some of our leaves. While that's drying, I'm going to just add my hello sentiment on the back of my shadow. We'd love to know what kind of metal dies you'd like to see in the future. What are you looking for? Let us know in the comments, and maybe we can make your dreams come true. But I'm loving this new die set. So here is that gorgeous peony all done up. And then of course, our hello sentiment. In the Keepsake kit, you're also going to get a project sheet that teaches you how to use that die to create this stunning A2 card. So you can see Amy here has created this, and you can see all the layers of that peony die really come together to create the most majestic flower. And then on the inside, we've got that great hello sentiment. How great is this going to be on your cards for all different occasions? And then of course, it's going to be great on those scrapbook layouts and albums as well. So you can see we have a few samples using the pieces from this Botanical Tea Keepsake kit. So to get this, you're going to need to become a subscriber to the Keepsake kit. We come out with a Keepsake kit quarterly. So we are currently on our 3rd of this year. And if you become a subscriber, you will get another one next quarter sent directly to you. So just check out all the details on our website at g45papers.com. We would love to know how you're going to use these papers. Let us know in the comments below. Are you going to be creating mini albums, cards, home decor, gifts? My personal favorite is fussy cutting these gorgeous images. You can see you could fussy cut out this peony, some stamps, butterflies, of course, and then use some foam adhesive to pop those on to your projects. And of course, you gotta love these cut aparts with all this space for journaling. Or just pop it onto a card base and voila, you have got a gorgeous card. So whether you're here for gorgeous papers in the Keepsake pack, or you want the ultimate crafting bundle with our Keepsake kit with exclusive metal die, now is the time to grab them. We only have them for a limited run, and once they're gone, they're gone. You can find them at our website at g45papers.com and at your favorite retailer. We thank you for joining us, and as always, happy paper crafting.